for being here. I'm so privileged to be standing in front of you because this has been my dream. I've waited very long to be standing here, honestly. Cables, जब हम लोग इस movie की hero casting कर रहे थे, they wanted different action. What Nishi sir told me that, you know, Vidyut, if we do something very different, which is a cliche, it will work for us. So I wanted to break the cliche and do this. And this whole act over here is just to tell you that in the movie we haven't used cables, and whatever you like is actually real. And I want to tell you one more thing, everybody can do this. It's not that I'm doing something different. ये सब लोग कर सकते हैं, वो आपको प्रूव करूँगा थोड़ी देर में.
More about you, your start and कैसे यहाँ तक आना कैसा हुआ?
You know, I've been very lucky. I started at the age of 3. I've lived all my life in an ashram. My initial years in Kerala, I started doing this martial art called Kalaripayattu, which people call Kalaripayattu also. And I moved to Bombay. I wanted to do movies. I wanted to be good. I wanted to be bad. I wanted to be superb. I couldn't find people who I could train with. And as luck would have it, I started moving around in Bombay, met a lot of fabulous people with a lot of talent. And I realized that there's a lot of talent in Bombay, in India, and the talent cannot come out. So we went to the slums, the martial art classes, and we have incredible people. यहाँ पे सिर्फ 4 लोग हैं हमारे साथ. हमारी टीम में 12 लोग हैं जो सुपर एक्शन करते हैं, और हमारी मूवी फॉर्स में जो हमने एक्शन किया है सब हम लोगों ने मिलकर बनाया है. एंड सब लोग कह रहे हैं जिन्होंने प्रोमोज देखे हैं कि इट्स डिफरेंट, इट्स सुपर. जो भी आपने देखा है ये मूवी का एक पार्ट है जहाँ पे एक स्पॉट है, फ्रेंड स्पॉट जिसे बोलते हैं पार्को, जिसका बहुत हवा है. इतना मुश्किल नहीं है, मगर ये हमने आपको एक पार्को की ब्रीफ दिखाई जिसे फ्री रनिंग भी कहते हैं. एंड इन इंडिया वी हैव टू get what everybody is doing abroad, and we have to do it better. So now I'll show you a bit of bone breaking जो real life जिंदगी में हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं और सब लोग कर सकते हैं.
Bone breaking, हड्डियाँ टूटेंगी अभी.
It's not that difficult. Holding the mic is really difficult. Everybody looking into you, I'm not used to it. I don't know how difficult it looks because it's not difficult at all. और मैंने किताब लिखी है जिसका नाम है फ्लो योगा. उसका बेसिक तथ्य ये है कि हम लोग सब लोग हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. And it sounds very as if it's been spoken before. Vijay Singh Fox, he told me I should speak about it because he said what he is today, from where he has come, he's gone through this whole process. Nishikant Kamath, National Award winning director, he said the same thing. He said, Vidyut, I did not know I would get an award. I was not working for it. He said, I got it because it was good. He said the same about this movie. He said, I can promise you one thing, we've put in 100% and we might get more than that. So it gives me a lot of pleasure here. I want to say something about John because I've been interacting with him and he knows I'm doing this event. Thank you very much, John. He's been a superb co-star. He has been so sweet. Every day in the morning when I used to meet him on the set, he used to smile. And it used to make me feel I'm the star man. So it was a good feeling.
जब किरदार सोचा कि ऐसा विलन करेंगे, जॉन के सामने खड़ा रहेगा, जॉन की पिटाई करेगा, की है इसने. So it was a very difficult choice कि किसको cast करें. Because John himself, I had told him that he needs to put on some 10-15 kgs. He was something 80-82 kgs. And I had to take him to 96 to 98 kgs because the character demanded this. So वो जब भी 96-98 kgs के हो गए तो उनके सामने villain नहीं था. And yes, as the cliche would go, we did a lot of auditions. So finally he came and he met me in this cafe. Then he was hardly a boy. He was like huge, but he had a very genuine smile. He came with a CD. He's a superb stunt guy, but will he be able to match the screen presence of that character? And then I took 1, 2, 3 screen tests, and then I told him, yeah, I think so. I've casted you, and well, you'll have to meet Vipul and Vijay and all these people once because they're the producers of the film. And if they also approve it, then I think so we'll go ahead with it, and that's how the journey started.
Nishi wanted me to embody this character, and on the sets, he used to just come to me and in the midst of everybody, बहुत भीड़ होती थी, and he used to come to me and he said, Vidyut, शेर की तरह देखना है, so okay, and take के बाद फिर आता है. with you, a Babbar Sher. So like, okay. So that's how it helped me, and okay, I was assuming it then.
You know, they complement each other so well. They went into rehearsals. They had to rehearse. Like, so I'm sure either uska, he would have had a broken nose or he would have had. Can you imagine a John hitting somebody? You know, one blow and we are cut to either Bhatia or Leelavati or somewhere. Similar goes to this. I mean, you know, he would send somebody to ICU in one blow. You look at his power. So they both are very powerful. They needed a lot of rehearsals. One wrong movement and somebody could have got very seriously injured. And I insisted on the fact that we didn't want cables, we didn't want false action. We didn't say, Mara तीसरे floor तक आदमी उड़ रहा है, वो नहीं चाहिए. मतलब not that it is right or wrong, it is a different school of action. We wanted a realistic school of action, and then even it had to be very interesting. So they had to go into rigorous rehearsals, and they had to complement each other. वरना वो action बनती नहीं थी. So they both were very complementing to each other.
Honestly, इसका blame मैं John पे करूँगा. अगर वो negative play कर लेता तो मैं positive होता. Really. To be working with Nishi, Fox, Vipul, getting to do what I do, that's action. Get a lot to act, look good. I wouldn't have missed this opportunity, really. I think this is one of the best launch anybody could have asked for, and I'm really glad I took it.
I thought I should make a proper mainstream cinema, which has 5 songs, hero, heroine, villain. I know it is difficult to digest initially that will I be able to pull it off, but then I realized कि हमने तो बचपन से लेके आज तक at least my childhood went into watching धर्मेंद्र, अमिताभ बच्चन, जीतू साहब. So हमने तो वही सिनेमा देखा. मतलब मुझे आज भी याद है मैं 10-12 साल का था, मैंने कर्ज नाम की पिक्चर 8 बार देखी थी सिर्फ गानों के लिए. तो now I cannot shy away and just keep on into getting into that realistic mode or intellectual cinema or वैसा सब. तो मतलब mainstream cinema I have to do just that. I don't know whether I can pull it off, but I have to give my 100%. So then I was thinking, क्या करें? I started work on 1 or 2 scripts, and then suddenly John called me. John and me, we know each other for 5-6 years. He's been very sweet. He likes Dombili Fast. He likes Mumbai Villain. So that was the connection. And he said he had one script. Actually, he had this Tamil film remake where Vipul had bought the rights. So he said, would you like to make it? I said, I'd love to see the film. I haven't seen the film. Then I'll take a call. तो उसके बाद वो आई, मैंने वो घर पे पिक्चर देखी. The first thing, my instinct was at least मुझे अच्छी लगनी चाहिए. अगर मुझे अच्छी लगेगी तब जाके इसका कुछ मैं शायद I can pull that off. तो मैंने देखी तो first thing which struck me was if I have to make it with my sensibility, I have to rewrite it completely. As I'm keeping the basic story the same, basics कहानी same रखे, and then I rewrote the film for 4.5 months, and then the entire process started. Foxstar Studios were there, Vipul Amrapal Shah, the producer, was there, John was there as the hero. And then came The Tooth, and we finally got going and we shot some 100-odd days to finish this film.
कभी एक्शन करते समय या फिल्म के दौरान या अभी यहाँ करते समय कभी माइंड में ऐसा आया कि यार ये करने जा रहा हूँ, चोट लगी तो क्या होगा? कभी दिमाग में डर कुछ?
सच बोलूं तो हर बार होता है. You know, every time I do anything in life, that is, even if the way I'm talking to you, I don't want to go wrong. So, including doing action, every time I'm doing something, I'm very careful. I think I'm a bit careful about everything in life. I'm not saying I don't take chances, but to do something incredible, you have to be careful.
Very honestly, as amongst friends, I've been telling him, he is also like, sir, कैसे होगा, क्या होगा Friday को? I don't know. हमने कोशिश 100% की है, बाकी it's up to the audience to decide. But I told him one thing, I know one thing for sure. If this film does good, he's not going to give me dates for 2 years. That is for sure. So his next diary will be after 2 years. That's the simplest way I can put it across.
I hope it's true too. हो जाए सच तो बहुत अच्छा होगा. But I'll give him dates whenever you want. I'll wait.